Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, in this video we are going to construct a triangle. So our topic is construction of triangles. We have to construct a triangle ABC such that AB side is equal to 8 centimeter, BC side is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle is at B point, ABC is equal to 80 degree. Measure and write down the length of AC. So first of all we will write the given sides. AB is given, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Length of side BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Angle is given, that is ABC is equal to 80 degree. And we have to construct an angle at point B, because you can see the caret sign and hat sign is at B, so B point is in the middle. So next is we have to find out the length of AC. So first of all we will draw the line segment AB, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Students, look at the line segment AB, that is equal to 8 centimeter. And now we have to construct an angle of 80 degree at point B. So with the help of protractor we will construct an angle at point B. Now mark the angle 80 degree here: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So here you will mark here the angle of 80 degree. Now using ruler and pencil we have to join this point B point with this point, and now extend. So students, here we have drawn an angle of 80 degree at point B. This is the 80 degree angle. Now next is the length of line segment BC is given, that is 6.5 centimeter. So point B, we have point B, and the point C is on this line. So we have to use the ruler and we have to adjust the pair of compasses. So adjust the pair of compasses at 6.5 to measure the distance of 6.5 centimeter. Yes, it's 6.5 centimeter. Yes. Now taking B as a center, draw an arc of length 6.5 centimeter. Students, here we have a point C. We have constructed the point C here. Now join point A to C. So the length of BC is given, that is 6.5 centimeter, and we have to find the length of AC. Now with the help of ruler you have to measure the length of AC. Yes, the length of AC is 9.4 centimeter. So we have the required triangle ABC, in which the length of AB is 8 centimeter, the length of side BC is 6.5 centimeter. At B we have constructed an angle of 80 degree, and we have to find the length of AC side. So when we measure the length of side AC, so we will have the length 9.4 centimeter. So students, this is the required triangle ABC. Students, I hope that you have learned how to construct a triangle when given length of sides are given and an angle is given. So inshallah we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.